Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to search in a chat on Slack. So let's say you have a chat or a channel going on and it has a lot of data or a lot of conversation and you want to find a specific word or a specific conversation. You can use keyword to actually find this. So let me show you how. So I have this conversation right here going on. And as I said, that could be for a channel or whatever it is. Now, in order to search it, you want to go ahead and ensure that the chat is currently open and then press Ctrl plus F. Once you do that, you will see a pop-up window appear, but it's going to say in, at, and the name of the person. Now, you don't necessarily want to search for that. You want to search for a specific word. So what I would do is just backspace and remove everything from this section. And this is going to help you to locate a conversation. So let's say I'm trying to find hi. I'm going to type the word hi, then hit enter, and it's going to find the entire conversations that contain that word. And that's it. So you can easily go ahead and find about that conversation, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and click, for example, here. And I'm going to go ahead and click, for example, that conversation, and it's going to find it in the chat result. So if you're looking for a specific word or conversation, something that happened in the past, a specific chat that you want to find, this is the easiest way how to find it within Slack. Very easy and very simple.